In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice typing in Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge on a Windows computer. This feature is incredibly handy if you want to save time or if typing isn't an option for you. It's straightforward and just involves a few simple steps to get you up and running. First, we need to enable online speech recognition on your Windows system. To do this, head over to the Start menu and select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to Privacy and Security. From there, locate the Speech section. Now, here's the crucial part. Make sure the online speech recognition is toggled on. This step is essential because it allows your computer to process your speech into text through internet-based services, ensuring accurate voice-to-text transcription. With that setup complete, the next thing you want to do is open your preferred browser. You can choose either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, both of which work seamlessly with Windows voice typing feature. Launch one of these browsers like you normally would. The next step starts the actual voice typing process. Find a text field in the browser where you want to start typing. This could be a search bar, an email, or even a document. Once you're positioned in the text field, press the Windows logo key along with the H key on your keyboard. This shortcut is what activates the voice typing tool and lets your computer know that you're ready to speak. Now, let's get to speaking. You should see a small microphone window appear on your screen. This window indicates that your computer is ready and listening. Try to speak clearly and naturally, and you'll see your words being transcribed directly into the text field almost instantly. Just take your time and speak as you normally would. The system is designed to pick up on your natural speech patterns. When you're done speaking, or if you need to pause, stopping the voice typing function is just as easy. You have a couple of options here. You can click on the microphone icon that's displayed on the voice typing bar to turn it off, or simply say the phrase, "Stop listening," to end the session. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and used voice typing in your browser. This feature can be a real game changer for productivity and convenience, especially when you're multitasking or need to input text quickly. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope this makes your experience with voice typing seamless and efficient. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy browsing and enjoy the ease of voice typing.